Yo, 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 what's good, what's good? What's up, ladies and gentlemen? We are back. No, nagbabalik ang ating live stream. Let's go, let's go. Yon. Yon, ongoing na ang ating live. What's good, ladies and gentlemen? We are back at MCT Season 2, Week 4, Day number 2 tayo ngayon, ladies and gentlemen. Mainit-init ang laban natin ngayon. Kanina natapos na ang ating unang serye, no? Between D-Rest and Mahjong Legends, where D-Rest took the win 2-1. Umabot ng game number 3 ang ating opening game for week 4, day number 2. At ngayong araw naman, at ang susunod nating laban ngayong araw is going to be Maxter PC Sports going up against Starlight Lovelies. Again, my name is Nate and I'm going to be your caster for today. Back-to-back games ang ating ikakast, ladies and gentlemen. Ang ating ikalawang series at ang ating ikatlong series, I will be casting kasama kayo. So, as of the moment, we're just waiting for the teams to be ready, no? And mag-prepare ang ating tournament lobby because the MCT Season 2 is powered by and supervised by Moonton Philippines, sponsored by Yapari Coffee Bar, the official coffee shop partner of MCT Season 2, and to our official live streaming platform, TikTok Live. So shoutout sa ating 6 viewers dyan, shoutouts to Shins, shoutout to Boss Jess Wolf, shoutout sa mga nag-share, sa mga nag-repost ng ating live stream, shoutout sa mga nagtatap-tap dyan. Very, very appreciated ko kayo guys. Thank you so much sa inyong support. And in just a while, ay magsisimula na ang ating ikalawang serye. Once again, ang laban natin ay between Maxter PC Sports versus Starlight Lovelies. No? Mainit-init ang ating magiging laban. So as of the moment, wala pa tayong update about the standings. No? But let's look at the standings of both teams from the previous week. Kung titignan natin dito guys, sila ay nasa upper 4. For the week 3 team standings, Maxter PC Sports is currently tied with Starlight Lovelies by currently in 3rd to 4th place, no? 3rd to 4th place ang ating Maxter PC at Starlight Lovelies ngayon, going head to head. Tamang-tama si Boss Jeswag dito, merong magkakaroon ng talo, so merong bababa sa gitnang area natin at meron namang magre-retain dito sa ating bandang itaas. Kung titignan nyo dito sa aking bandang gilid, no, naka-open na, no, naka-open na ang ating bossing, si Boss James, no, ay naka-ready na dito sa ating Mobile Legends Bang Bang, no, naka-open na. Magpe-prepare na yan ng tournament lobby maya-maya, no. So once again, sa mga kaka-tune in lang, no, sa ating live stream, tapos na po ang ating unang serye between D-Rest and the Mahjong Legends, where D-Rest took the win. Umabot tayo ng game number 3. So shoutouts to Bro Shigeo. Go Lovelies daw, sabi niya dito. So comment down below guys kung ano ang inyong predictions. Are you predicting for Maxter PC Sports to win, or you are predicting for Starlight Lovelies to win? Again, best of 3 ang ating laban ngayon. Mahaba-habang serye ang ating masasaksihan. At bukod dito, pagtapos ng serye ito ay meron pa tayong susunod na serye na talagang nga namang kaabang-abang. No? Talagang kaabang-abang ang ating top 2 teams. Genius Esports and Raging Foxy, sila ang maglalaban sa ating huling serye. Kung itong series na to ay makikita natin maglaban ang nasa top 3 and 4, ang makikita naman natin sa ating huling serye ay ang top 1 and top 2, no? Ladies and gentlemen, once again, my name is Nate. Ito ako niya magiging caster para sa seryeng ito at sa mga susunod pa nating serye. Tamang-tama ka doon, Boss JP, undefeated versus undefeated, no? Again, yung dalawang serye natin ngayon hanggang mamaya, no? Hanggang mamaya ano to, talagang mag-shake up, no, ng ating leaderboards. Shoutouts to Boss JV, no? Shoutouts to Boss JV guys. And let's have a quick recap din, no? Grabe naman. Let's have a quick recap din sa mga naging resulta kahapon, no, kagabi rather, no, yung mga naging mainit na laban natin. Unang serye natin, Racial Lovers versus Dana Believers, nakasecure ang Racial Lovers 2-0 in favor of Dana Believers. At ang ating ikalawang serye naman noong gabing yon ay Raging Foxies versus Oniriri Esports, where Raging Foxies ay nakakuha ng sweep up against Oniriri Esports. 2-0 ang naging score natin doon. Shoutouts to Karmaka 886, no? Shoutout daw from USA yun. Solid, no? Solid. Shoutout sa'yo. I hope na na-enjoy nyo dito ang ating current live stream, no? Nakachamba daw, sabi ni Boss JB. Hindi chamba yun, boss. Hindi chamba yun. Ano yun? Pakita mo sino ka, yun. Ganong klaseng moment siya, no? Hindi chamba yun, guys. So, shoutout sa ating 15 viewers, guys. So, may mga nagme-merienda pa sa inyo yan. Equal sa inyo, guys. No? Food trip muna kayo dyan habang nanonood ng ating MCT Season 2. At eto na nga, nakaready na ating tournament lobby, guys. Nailapag na ang pangalan Maxter PC Sports versus Starlight Lovelies ang ating magiging laban. No? Makikita natin dito mamaya kung sino ang kanilang mga player lineups bago tayo mag-proceed sa ating pinaka-laban, no? So, shoutout sa inyo lahat, guys. Comment down below kung ano nga inyong predictions, no? Comment down below your predictions. Pero ipapakilala na natin agad-agad. ML na ML ang ating mga players from Starlight Lovelies. Kapitana Luna. We have Kapitana Luna. We have Judgman. We have Zeus. We have Raja. And we have Merle God na umalis lang ng lobby. Baka magre-reconnect lang. So, shoutouts to Zoning Ball. Celine all the way daw. Tapos sabi naman dito ni Cram, sa Lovelies po ako today. Ayaw kasi ako kalaroin ni Dosey sa HOK at ML. Grabe naman yon. Pero eto na nga ang ating Maxter PC Sports. Nandito na sila ngayon. We have James, JP, Dosey, Matcha, at si Axel, no? So I think this going to be, if I'm not mistaken, ito na yung huling serye, no? After ng serye na ito, for the following games ng Maxter PC Sports ay makakapaglaro na ulit si Resh. No, makakapaglaro na ulit si Resh, mga kaibigan. Huling nakita natin si Resh ay, if I'm not mistaken, ay MCT show match pa, no? Wala pang main ground tournament. Pero ngayon, ito na ang huling serye para sa kanya at makakapaglaro na ulit siya sa ating mga following weeks. Once again, hindi pa rin ako nahanap ni Axel sa Samsung. Shoutouts to Boss Lance, ang ating prod. Ingat sa trabaho, bossing. Ingat sa trabaho, bossing. Priority muna ang ating priority ang main work, no? Priority ang main work, mga kaibigan. So once again, pakilala natin ang ating team lineup for Maxter PC Sports. We have James in the Rome, JP in the mid lane, Dosey in the XP lane, Matcha sa ating jungle, at Axel naman sa ating gold lane. At eto na, naka-ready na, no? Naka-ready na lahat dito ang ating Starlight Lovelies. Handang-handa ng magpakitang gilas dito. Kapitana Luna para sa ating Rome, Raja magiging mid lane, Zeus ang magiging XP lane, Judgman naman na magiging jungle, at si Merle God ang magiging gold lane dito. Ladies and gentlemen, shoutouts to Humbly, no? Shoutout sa inyo lahat, guys. Welcome sa ating stream. Shoutout sa 20 viewers natin dyan, guys. I hope na na-enjoy nyo to. Boss Nate lang malakas. Shoutout to Humbly, guys. Thank you so much. Inaantay lang natin mag-ready, no? Mga players ng ating Maxter PC Sports. Currently meron pang dalawang hindi naka-ready sa kanila. Baka inaayos pa nila yung kanilang map picks, no? Dahil sa ating once again sa mga bagong dating lang sa ating tournament dito, yung mga first time yung manonood, ang sistema po natin sa MCT ay ang mapa po ay pinagdedesisyonan ng blue side team katulad sa MPL, no? So we're basically running an MPL like system dito sa loob ng MCT, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, naka-tournament lobby tayo ngayon dito. 10 bans, mga kaibigan. Bukas lahat ng hero, bukas lahat ng skin. Survey daw po, sino po best gold laner para sa inyo? Best gold laner saan? Sa MCT, sa MPL. Pag best gold lane, mahirap pa sabihin eh. Dikit kasi ang ngayon, dikit ang gold lane ngayon, guys. Dikit ang MCT. May bias ba gusto nyo? Kung may bias, Kung may bias, Unique Kitsune ng Korean Sekai. De, joke lang. Gold Lane. Ang hirap pa sabihin, no? Pero, kung may bias, guys, from Korean Sekai, Unique Kitsune. Ano name ni Resh sa Masterpiece? Resh din ata ang IGN niya dito, no? So, eto na nga, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the drafting phase. Blue side ang ating Masterpiece. Red side naman nating Starlight Lovelies. Ang mapa natin dito is going to be Expanding Rivers na pinili ng ating Masterpiece Esports, no? And now, first ban from Masterpiece Esports, ladies and gentlemen. Tignan natin kung ano kanila magiging decision dito. Pwede sila mag-ban out ng potential roamer muna. Pwede sila mag-ban out dito ng Belleric Atlas, pero hindi. Jungle ang kanila ibaban dito. That is going to be the Akai being eliminated. Shoutouts to Ate Max, no? Nasa ating comment section. Good luck, Masterpiece daw. Merong buff ang ating Masterpiece, and of course hindi magpapatalo. Alam ko meron ding buff ang ating Starlight Lovelies. Shoutouts to Ate Elise na nandito rin sa ating live stream. Pero eto na nga, that is going to be the high loss being banned out on the side of Starlight Love, from the side of Starlight Lovelies dito. Roamer lang ang tatanggalin, pero sasagot din naman ng Roamer dito ang ating Masterpiece Esports. That is going to be the Marcel being banned out. Alam naman natin na sobrang lakas ng teamfight presence ng mga heroes na binaban out dito ng ating mga players. And now, pwede mag-ban out ng mid lane dito ang ating Starlight Lovelies, pero hindi. Iba ang kanila magiging ruta dito. That is going to be the Suyu, at mabilis ang sagot lang. That is going to be the Harit being banned out. That's a gold lane eliminated for the side of Starlight Lovelies. And now we'll see kung ano ang kanilang potentially natatanggalin dito for the side of Masterpiece Esports. Pwede sila mag-ban out dito ng another mid laner. Wala pang mid lane ngayon na nababaan, surprisingly. Potentially Zetian or Zuxin ang pwedeng maban dito, or pwede rin namang maban dito ang Gord. Looks like Starlight Lovelies are taking their time, ladies and gentlemen. Or potentially sila ang kumuha ng Gord para sa kanila. Shoutout sa 27 viewers natin, guys. Welcome to the stream. Shoutout sa inyong lahat. 10 segundo na titira for Starlight Lovelies. That is going to be another roamer being banned out. Atlas kagad. At ngayon pwedeng kumuha dito ng Zetian or ng Zuxin ng ating Masterpiece Esports. There you have it. That is going to be the Zuxin on the hands of JP. At ngayon naman, Raja could pick up the Gord, or the... It's either Gord or the Zetian. Tapos pwedeng kumuha ng Kaja dito ang ating Starlight Lovelies on the hands of Kapitana Luna. Or pwede rin kumuha sila ng Belleric dito. Alam naman natin, super taas ng rankings ni Belleric ngayon when it comes to the roamers, pero hindi. Iba muna ang kanil magiging sagot. That is going to be Judgman playing the Baxia here, ladies and gentlemen. Jungle kagad ang kanilang kukunin dito. As we all know naman, medyo bumabalik, no? Bumabalik sa meta ang ating Baxia. Yung mga tank jungle natin ay bumabalik. That is going to be the usual secured though for the side of Starlight Lovelies. Wala munang roamer o mid laner para sa kanila. They are somehow confident na wala naman ng makakakuha pa ng Zetian, no? But that is going to be the Benedetta on the hands of Dose and the Fredrin secured by Matcha, ladies and gentlemen. So, sagutan kagad ng mga utility jungle. So, shoutout sa mga buff ng ating dalawang team. Shoutouts to Ate Max and shoutouts to Ate Elise, no, na nandito sa ating live stream. Welcome po sa ating MCP Season 2, week number 4, day number 2 between Masterpiece Esports and Starlight Lovelies. At ngayon naman, pwede kumuha ng Kaja dito ngayon ang ating Starlight Lovelies to counter itong pagpasok with the Alecto Final Blow ni Dose, no? Pero looks like iba muna magiging sagot ngayon ng ating Starlight Lovelies. That is going to be the Eve being secured. Although the Eve is a very, very risky pick kasi pwede siya maabot dito ni Dose with the Alecto Final Blow. At pwede rin siyang maabot dito potentially ng mga roamer na pwedeng kunin pa dito ni James. And that is going to be the carry being banned out. That is going to be a textbook, no? Textbook ban. As we all know, wala pa namang gold lane na nakukuha dito. And another textbook ban, that is going to be the Claude being banned out. At ngayon nakakaramdam ako, this is going to be a Gatot Kacha ban on the side of Starlight Lovelies dito. Pwede sila mag-ban ng another roamer or pwede rin sila mag-ban ng another gold lane. One gold lane that they need to watch out is going to be the Irithel. Alam natin na bumabalik sa meta ang Irithel ngayon kasi sobrang taas pa din ang mobility niya. Sobrang hirap abutin, and knowing that Masterpiece Esports, meron sila ditong Fredrin sa kanilang team composition, ay pwede silang kumuha ng Irithel dito anytime soon. So they're playing around a marksman, or there you have it, a prediction made. Tulad ng sabi natin kanina, potentially magagat at Kacha ban sila dito, or potentially a marksman ban, but they opted for a Gat at Kacha. And now for the final ban ng ating Masterpiece Esports, nakakaramdam ako ng Obsidia ban dito para hindi magkaroon ng hard time si Dosey dito using the Benedetta, no, para hindi makancel yung kanyang mga dashes. That's one option, and another option is ban out the Kaja, no. Pwede mag-ban out ng Kaja, at the same time pwedeng mag-ban out ng Beleric. And we all know na kayang-kayang mag-counter ng Beleric na isang Benedetta, pero surprisingly, silent meta itong Matilda. That is going to be the Matilda being banned out. Let's see here kung ano magiging desisyon ng ating Starlight Lovelies. If they are going to lock in the Estes, we are going to expect an Ube lineup dito. There you have it. That's going to be the Ube, ladies and gentlemen. Textbook Blacklist International ang ating makikita ngayon dito. And now for the final two picks, pwede kumuha ng Khalid ang ating Masterpiece Esports. Khalid, and potentially pwede sila kumuha ng Obsidia dito. Or at the same time, pwede rin sila kumuha ng Bruno on the hands of Axel. Nakita na rin naman natin na gumamit ng Bruno dito, no, ang ating Masterpiece Esports dito, no. So there's no feel ko magkakaroon tayo ng dito ng Bruno Khalid, pero hindi, that is going to be the Granger, pero tumama tayo sa Khalid, ladies and gentlemen. That's going to be the Khalid on the hands of James. At eto na nga, on point ang prediction ng ating comment section. That is going to be an Estes Kimi lineup for the side of Starlight Lovelies. Isa rin to sa mga combo na pinaka sumisikat ngayon sa ating mga ranked games. We'll see kung ito ba ay gagana for the side of Starlight Lovelies. Looking at the lineup here, ladies and gentlemen, parehas sila dito, merong dive and control composition. So it will all comes down to execution, ladies and gentlemen. For the side of Masterpiece Esports, meron sila dito pang dive na Benedetta at Khalid. And on the side of Starlight Lovelies naman, meron sila dito pang dive na Yuzhong at Baksha. For the side of Masterpiece, meron sila pang control dito na Zuxin at Fredrin. And for the side of Starlight Lovelies naman, meron sila pang control dito na Eve, Estes at Kimi. And welcome to Mobile Legends, mga kaibigan. Expanding Rivers ang ating mapa. For the side of Masterpiece Esports, we have James on the Khalid, JP on the Zuxin, Dosey naman para sa ating Benedetta, Matcha para sa ating Fredrin, and Axel para sa ating Ranger. And for the side of Starlight Lovelies, we have Merle God bilang Kimi. Judgment naman ang gagamit dito ng ating Baxia. Sus ang gagamit dito ng ating Yuzhong. Raja ang gagamit ng ating Eve, and Kapitana Luna will be the one playing the Estes, ladies and gentlemen. Early game pa lang natin, going aggressive kagad ang ating Masterpiece Esports. That's going to be the pokes to Kapitana Luna and Raja. Tamang pailaw lang si paring JP dito, pero meron din namang bawi sa pokes. That is going to be James going aggressive towards the Estes, pero disengage na lang muna, napagamit na ng regen si Kapitana Luna dito. Pero sa ating gold lane naman, tamang sabayan lang dito si Merlgod at si Axel. Of course, they are the ones picking up the items here. They are going to be the main carry of the match, considering that both junglers are playing utility, no, or tank jungle ang kanilang gamit dito. These gold laners will be the one dishing out a lot of damage. At ngayon naman dito sa ating bottom lane, that is going to be Sus and Dosey na tamang magkakasabayan lang. Lipat lang natin yung comment section natin dito para makita nyo ang ating gold and turret count. That is going to be Dosey, no, slightly losing on Sus dito. Currently above sa level ang ating Yuzhong dito, pero sa may bandang taas mukhang magkakaroon ng laban. That is going to be James. Tamang vision lang, walang masastun dito si Merlgod, pero tamang free hit lang din. Kalahati buhay ni Axel dito. Tamang pokes lang from Merlgod with the heals coming from Kapitana Luna. At ngayon naman dito tayo sa may bandang baba, that is going to be Judgman, na magkakaroon ng idea sa pwesto ni Matcha. And now the first turtle has spawned sa may bandang gitna. Mukhang magkakaroon tayo ng pick-up. That is going to be Raja na mapagamit ng flicker. Out muna dito ang ating Eve. And now James, kalahati ang kanyang buhay. pero mapapagamit ng quicksand gold, pero Judgment dito ay masasalubong siya. James falling low, Kapitana Luna is here and that's going to be James falling down. First blood on the hands of the Eve by Raja, and now Matcha is being zoned out, pero kailangan mag-ingat ni Dose. Electro Final Blow kanyang gagamitin, pero hindi makakagamit ng Petrify. That is going to be Dose taking Kapitana Luna out, and that is going to be the Appraiser's Rat and the Retribution combo on the hands of Matcha. Pero sus dito, talagang hinahabol niya dito si JP. JP goes down, real good, merong bawi. Dose goes down as well, and that is going to be Axel na makakuha ng isa, at ngayon si James ay buhay na. Judgment kanyang puntirya, nakapag-regen pa, pero makakasurvive ba? That is going to be Merle God, and Raja na is-zone out dito ang ating kalid, and that is going to be 3 kills going to the side of Starlight Lovelies, and 2 kills para sa ating Masterpiece Esports dito. Pero ang makakuha ng turtle natin, it's going to be Matcha, at ngayon unstoppable na siya dito. That is going to be James na makakakuha ng kill on towards Raja. And now, disengage muna ating dalawang kupunan, pero sabi dito ni James, magro-rotate pa din ako, magagank pa din ako, pero that's going to be the quicksand guard muna to regenerate some of the health. 3-3 ang ating score mga kaibigan, nasa kalamangan ang gold ng Masterpiece Esports. That is going to be the Raging Sandstorm na dalawa mahuhuli. Axel gets 1. That's going to be the ultimate from the Estes as well, pero dalawa mapapalipad di paring JP dito. Kapitana Luna falling down. That is going to be James with a quick sun guard once again. Raja dito with the real manipulation. James falling low. At si JP ngayon dito nag-zone. Papalip pa rin niya dito si Raja. Matcha with a backup. Kalahati ang buhay ng ating Eve dito, pero disengage na lang muna James dito, playing aggressive using the Khalid, ladies and gentlemen. On point na Raging Sandstorm mga kaibigan, dalawa ang kanyang mahuhuli doon. And now lipat tayo sa ating bottom lane, that is going to be Dose dito na umiikot sa ating mapa. And now Starlight Lovely's here, still going aggressive though, so may bandang itaas. That's going to be Axel na kalahati ang buhay, pero James ay nandito na ulit. That's going to be the Kimi na maiispatan siya, at ngayon sa taas mag-i-spawn ng ating second turtle. Let's see kung sino makakuha nito, pero sa may bandang gitna, that's going to be Judgment, Kapitana Luna and Merle God na nakaposisyon na dito sa ating turtle pit, and that is going to be the pokes na manggagaling kay Raja using this Eve. Disengage muna ating dalawang kupunan, ipopoke lang nila ng bahagya itong turtle na ito. That is going to be the turtle going to the side of Starlight Lovelies as of the moment, pero ngayon Matcha kanya magiging target. RWM from Raja mga kaibigan. Sus gets 1, Matcha goes down, James will go down as well on the hands of Merle God. Si Sus ay nandito na, grabe yung healing galing na pinapakita dito ni Kapitana Luna. That's going to be Dawson na makakuha na isa. Merle God dito falling low, makakapag-out pa rin naman siya. JP dito dealing a lot of damage, pero that won't be enough. That is going to be 6-5 mga kaibigan. Napakagandang zone out mula dito sa ating Yuzhong. Ang makakakuha ng turtle natin is going to be Starlight Lovelies. 1-1 ang ating magiging sitwasyon dito. Susu with the Black Dragon form zoning a lot of heroes on the side of Masterpiece Esports, pero sa may bandang taas mukhang magkakaroon ulit ng laban. That is going to be Merle God dealing a lot of damage. James dito tinatangke lahat ng tira. That is going to be Merle God taking 1. Axel falling low, pero hindi sasapat pa. That is going to be the ultimate from the Estes as well. At ngayon mukhang makakapush dito ang ating Starlight Lovely sa may bandang itaas. Judgment dito slowly rotating as well. Hinhabol nila dito ngayon si Axel, pero hindi. Tore muna kanila punteriya, pero off-cam kills may bandang ibaba. That is going to be Dose and Matcha na makakakuha ng kill doon. That's going to be Sus falling down. At ngayon makakabasag ng isa. That's going to be Dose taking 1 tower down. Pero sa may bandang taas naman, Merle God dito ay nagpo-provide na ng vision sa jungle area. That is going to be JP na magiging target. And they're going to disengage muna for now. 7-6 ang ating score. 6 minutes into the game, let's have a quick item check. Pero sabi ni Dosey dito, wag ka muna mag-item check dahil aariba pa kami. Raging Sandstorm won't connect also on the side of James. At disengage muna ngayon ang ating Masterpiece knowing na wala silang resource as of the moment. Now, pwede na tayo mag-item check dito. Sus already secured the first core item. Dosey din nakasecure na dito, going for the second. Pero mukhang magkakaroon ulit ng clash. That is going to be Axel with a mega kill. At ngayon mukhang lalaban pa. James dito falling low. James goes down. Electro final blow para maabot dito si Raja. Appraiser's Rat towards Judgment. Pero Judgment buhay pa rin. Dosey dito goes down. Napakasakit na ni Merle God dito. Double kill para sa kanya. Pero unstoppable na si Axel dito. The backshot goes down. That's going to be the ultimate from Merle God. Pero napalalim yata kanyang pustuan. Axel dito ay makakuha ng dalawa. Double kill para sa kanya. Pero Sus dito with the Black Dragon form makabuli pa ba? Pero mukhang disengage na muna. Raja dito medyo malalim ang pustuan. And that is going to be Sus going down. Triple kill para sa kanya. Magkaka-maniac ba? Pero naka-flicker out pa. Pero may flicker in naman. Dito si paring Axel. Maniac para sa ating Granger mga kaibigan. Axel doing wonders for Masterpiece Esports at ngayon Kapitana Luna ang kanya magiging target at ngayon mukhang babasag sa may gitna ang ating Masterpiece Esports and they are requesting an item check. Here's the item check, ladies and gentlemen. That is going to be 3 core items on the side of Axel. Meron na siya ditong Hunter Strike, Malefic Roar at ang kanyang Sky Piercer. That is going to be a lot of damage, a lot of physical penetration on the side of the Granger, ladies and gentlemen. And on the side of Starlight Lovelace naman dito, ang ating Kimi ay on the way na sa kanyang third core item. Slightly falling behind when it comes to the items though, ladies and gentlemen. Pero sa may bandang itaas, mukhang si Zeus ang kanila magiging target. That is going to be Axel na makakakuha ng isa. One tower goes down and now Judgment dito magro-rotate na rin naman pero wala muna sila magiging target as of the moment. 12-8 ang ating score. That is going to be Dawson na nag-aabang dito. Conceal play from Masterpiece. That is going to be the Raging Sandstorm in the Electro final blow. James gets one and that is going to be the Granger doing a lot of damage pero Susa ang makakahanap sa ating Granger dito ngayon. Natomb siya dito ng ating Fredrin. That is going to be the Quicksand Guard from James. Sobrang kunat ng ating dalawang lineup mga kaibigan. All thanks to Kapitana Luna with the healing. At grabe ang durability dito ng ating Masterpiece Esports. That is going to be Matcha na makakataunt ng isa pero titignan natin dito sino makakakuha ng purple. It's going to be Merle God. Sa kanila pa rin mapupunta yon and now Judgment ay humahabol dito. Sino magiging target? Looks like it's going to be Axel. Axel ay masastun dito. Axel goes down. Axel gets shut down. That's going to be on the hands of Zeus. James dito falling low. James goes down on the hands of Zeus once again. Double kill para sa kanya. Electro final blow dito. Dosay makakuha ng isa. That is going to be Raja with the RWM. Merle God makakuha ng isa. That's going to be Matcha going down. Ito na yung bawi na hinahanap ng Starlight Lovelace, ladies and gentlemen. 14-11 ang ating score. Judgment ay buhay pa rin. 4 ang buhay sa side ng Starlight Lovelace. Samantalang 2 for the side of Masterpiece. And that's going to be JP tanking a lot of damage. That's going to be JP going down. At ngayon Dosing na lang mag-isa. Judgment dito tatangkin na lahat. That is going to be Merle God na mag-disengage muna. And that's going to be Judgment na makakabasag ng Torre dito sa may bandang gitna. And the tables have turned. Starlight Lovelace ngayon ang may control sa ating mapa. And that is going to be the first Lord na lalabas dito mga kaibigan. Axel ay nakaposisyon. Starlight Lovelace to disengage. James also in position in the vicinity of the Lord Pit. And now si Zeus ay nakaabang dito sa may bandang itaas. Aware sila dito na potentially magkakaroon ng play ang Masterpiece Esports. Judgment and Raja ay nandito rin naman. Dosey and James looking for a play once again. Pero sa may bandang gitna, that's going to be Merle God and Kapitana Luna. Dosey dito, lagpas kalahati kanyang buhay. Napa-ultimate dito ang ating Kimi but won't connect. That's going to be Judgment and Zeus. Kasabay dito with the power of friendship ang kanilang tugon. Sabay silang mag-zone out dito and that is going to be Matcha dito trying to contest. Petrify magagamit dito ng ating Yujo. Sino makakuha? That's going to be the Raging Sandstorm. Matcha gets the Lord. Raja gets Matcha though. That is going to be James na may iwan sa lahat. That's going to be Zeus na makakuha ng isa. Dalawang wala side ng Masterpiece. So maariba pa din sila. That's going to be Starlight Lovelace on the killing spree and now JP ngayon ang kanilang punteriya. Hinahabol ngayon si JP tamang takbo pero kailangan pa rin humabol ng ating Starlight Lovelace at kailangan nilang depensahan to dahil Masterpiece na nakakuha ng ating unang Lord and that is going to be Raja. Hinahabol pa rin si JP. Great escape from JP, ladies and gentlemen. Pero ang sagot ng ating Starlight Lovelace, babasag kami ng Torre kahit sa inyo na yung Lord. That is going to be the mid lane tower na babasagin dito ng ating Starlight Lovelace and that's going to be Raja dito na magki-clear ng ating bottom lane Lord. Andito na rin naman si Merle God, Kapitana Luna at Judgment pero sa may bandang taas mukhang merong hahabulin na XP laner. That is going to be Zeus na mare-reveal ang kanyang position. Matcha, Dosey, Axel at James, sila ay nandito rin naman sa may bandang itaas. Black Dragon Farm ay kakasana. That is going to be Zeus. Kalahati ang kanyang buhay dito pero magiging target niya dito si James pero disengage na lang muna. That's going to be Judgment targeting Axel. Dalawang mahuhuli dito with the ultimate of the Kimi. James dito ay mapapalipad. That is going to be Merle God na makakuha ng isa. Raja dito sa may bandang likuran. Merle God dito tamang free hit lang. That's going to be Raja providing the slows. Grabe yung heal. No, grabe yung heal dito na pinapakita ni Kapitana Luna using the Estes, keeping the team alive. And Merle God naman dito dealing a lot of damage. Pero Dosey tumatrabaho dito sa may bandang itaas mga kaibigan. Kung sino magpapakita sa kanya dito, potentially mati-take down. Pero sabi ni paring Dosey dito, disengage na lang muna ako. Hindi na umabot si Zeus, Merle God at Kapitana Luna. Let's have a quick item check, ladies and gentlemen. 11-minute mark. That is going to be the Clock of Destiny and the glowing one on the hands of Juzukshin here, ladies and gentlemen. So matutunaw na talaga dito yung mga tanks ng ating Starlight Lovelies, pero hindi magiging sapat yon as Starlight Lovelies have secured their defensive items as well. Although majority of the items here are purely up against physical defense, no? And not for magic defense. And for side of Masterpiece naman, nakasecure na rin dito, no? Nakasecure na rin sila dito ng mga 3 to 4 core items. That is going to be a 3-man setup from Raja using the RWM. Sus ay nandito rin naman. Axel kanyang punteriya. Petrify magagamit. That's going to be the Raging Sandstorm. Won't connect to anyone. That's going to be Judgment dito na gumugulong-gulong lang. Pero sa may bandang itaas, kung titignan ng ating mapa mga kaibigan, Dosey dito, walang personalan. Trabaho lang ang ating Benedetta. That is going to be 1 tower down here on the top lane. That's going to be Dosey doing a lot of work, at ngayon na-divert ang atensyon ng ating Starlight Lovelies. Napakagandang diversion play, napakagandang split push play from the side of Masterpiece Esports. At ngayon naman Judgman andito sa ibang ibaba, clearing the waves. Dalawa ang kanyang maging kalaban dito. Ginamit na ang kanyang gulong. That's going to be Judgman na malapit dito sa vicinity ng ating Lord, and now looks like sila pa rin ang may control ng ating Lord Pit, mga kaibigan. Starlight Lovelies pa rin ang nagdidikta ng ating laro. James providing vision, pero sa may bandang itaas talaga, paring Dosey, tumatrabaho lang. Kung pwede lang meron tayong dalawang camera para makita kita dyan. That's going to be Starlight Lovelies na makakuha ng, ikalawang Lord dito. So 1 for 1 na when it comes to the Lord. Pero Dosey dito, nakapag-clear lang naman siya. Hindi niya natuloy ang kanyang plano, and that is going to be a great pick up from the side of Starlight Lovelies. Nabaliktad ang laban, mga kaibigan. 14-16 ang ating score. That is going to be the Lord marching the mid lane, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see here kung sino ang magwawagi. Ito na ba ang game-winning Lord for Starlight Lovely? So ito na ba ang oportunidad for Masterpiece Esports? James dito ay kamunti ka matagpuan, pero Raja ay makakapag-check. Bush, Judgman, magiging target niya dito si James. James dito sasalo ng napakaraming damage. Black Dragon form ay gagamitin na rin dito ng ating Yuuzhan that is going to be Matcha. Falling low, pero Appraiser slot pagagamit niya na. Sus dito makaka-petrify sa dalawa. Merle God gets one. That is going to be Starlight Lovely's wrecking havoc, ladies and gentlemen. That's going to be Matcha falling down. Dosey dito with the Electro Final Blow, magagamit na. Double kill para sa ating Kimi. Magiging triple pa nga. Magkaka-maniac ba dito ang ating Starlight Lovely's? Pero walang minions, mga kaibigan. At ngayon meron na. That is going to be Merle God na tower lock na lang, and that's going to be game number 1 going to the hands of Starlight Lovelies.
Victory!
Ang MVP ng laban natin na yon, none other than the gold laner. That is going to be Merle God using the Kimi. 12-5 ang kanyang KDA. Let's have a look at the statistics, ladies and gentlemen. For the team fight participation, ang may pinakamataas dito is going to be Merle God with 89% team fight participation, mga kaibigan. And sa turret damage naman natin, ang may pinakamataas din dito is going to be Merle God as well. When it comes to turret damage, 13,772 turret damage para sa kanyang Kimi, ladies and gentlemen. And when it comes to hero damage naman, ang pinaka mataas natin dito, none other than Axel of Masterpiece Esports with 93,790 damage dealt, 38% yon para sa ating buong laban. And para naman sa ating damage taken, ang may pinakamataas na damage taken dito, none other than Judgman with the Baksha, 137,830 ang kanyang na-secure na damage taken. 14-19 ang ating score, 14 para sa ating Starlight Love, 14 para sa ating Masterpiece Esports at 19 para sa ating Starlight Lovelies. 14 minutes 34 seconds ang naging duration ng ating laban, and now Starlight Lovelies are on match point. At ngayon malapit na magsimula ang ating game number 2 draft. Masterpiece at Lovelies ay nandito na. Walang magbabago sa lineup, ladies and gentlemen. Kailangan ko pa bang mag-G dito para ma-start nila? Magko-comment din ako dito, G. Yan. Para alam nilang tapos na tayo mag-analyze, guys. Mabilis na analysis lang din yon. Nag-G na rin ako dyan. That is going to be Masterpiece and Starlight Lovelies once again, ladies and gentlemen. At ngayon naman, Starlight Lovelies sa magiging blue side natin. Let's see kung anong mapa ang kanilang pinili. Maya-maya lamang. Grabe. Team fight after team fight. Napagana, no? Napagana ang ating, napagana ang Kimi Estes, no? ng ating Starlight Lovelies dito. Game 2 is indeed going to be very interesting. Shout out sa lahat ng mga viewers natin dyan. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa ating mga laban ngayon. Welcome to game number 2 draft between Starlight Lovelies and Maxterpiece Esports. Starlight Lovelies, no, sa ating asul, Maxterpiece sa ating pula. Ang mapa natin ngayon is going to be Flying Cloud. Madaming lilipad-lipad na hero dito pabalik sa kanilang mga lanes, ladies and gentlemen. Shoutouts to the 34 viewers. Welcome to the stream. Again, you're watching the MCT Season 2, week number 4, day number 4, week number 4, day number 2, series number 2, mga kaibigan. Blue side natin ng Starlight Lovelies at red side naman natin ang ating Maxterpiece Esports. That's going to be Suyu being banned out and Marcel. Okay, no, surprisingly sila nag-ban out ng Marcel up against Starlight Lovelies dito. Ayaw nila ipagamit to kay Kapitana Luna. And now, let's see kung ano kanila magiging ban dito. Potentially, mag-ban out sila dito ng gold lane, no? Para kay Axel. Kasi, alam natin na halimaw talaga, no? Halimaw talaga mag-gold lane dito si Axel. Kahit anong hero yung ibigay mo sa kanya. And now, we'll see here. Second ban ng Starlight Lovelies, talagang pinag-iisipan, but that is going to be the Atlas eliminating a hero sa pool ni paring James, but that's going to be the Akai still, no? Wala pa ding magbabago for the side of Maxterpiece Esports. Akai pa din talaga ang kanilang iba-ban out. Alam naman natin na sobrang tumataas din, no? Nagra-rise up sa meta rin ng ating Akai once again, especially with the performance of Carl TZ nung Asian Games qualifiers. Grabe, sobrang solid nung Akai niya doon. And now for the third ban, that's going to be a Benedetta. Respect ban para kay Dosey, mga kaibigan. Kasi nakita rin naman natin kung gaano kagrabe yung impact na pinakita dito ni Dosey, no? Baga, akala natin kanina that is going to be the game of Maxterpiece Esports kasi pwede nilang i-dive yung Starlight Lovelies, no? Pero sabi ng Starlight Lovelies dito, yes, kaya nyo kaming i-dive pero not to the point na mapipitas nyo kami. Kumbaga, ang ginawa ng Starlight Lovelies dito, okay lang na maabot nyo kami, pero pag once na maabot nyo kami, kayo yung mapapunish. Kasi kung titignan natin doon, that is going to be Judgment and Kapitana Luna sustaining. No, sila yung susustain doon, sila yung tatangke ng lahat ng damage, and that is going to be Sus na magpo-push away. Kumbaga, ang sagot ng Starlight Lovelies dito, sige, pasok kayo with the Benedetta, pasok kayo with the Fedrin, with the Khalid, okay lang. Kasi confident kami na merong Yuzhong na magpo-push away sa inyo, at ganun ulit ang magiging sagot ng ating Starlight Lovelies. That is going to be Sus playing the Yuzhong once again. If meron akong personal MVP sa laban na yon, my personal MVP is going to be Sus. Sobrang grabe yung sipag niya dun sa game na yon. Like, talagang ida-dive niya talagang hahanapin niya si Axel to the point na hindi na makakaporma using the Petrify as well at the right place at the right time. Sobrang commendable ng play ni Sus doon, ladies and gentlemen. Pero eto na, napakawalan ang high loss ni Boss James. That's going to be the high loss and the Zetian on the hands of Maxterpiece Esports. And now, they have the option to pick up the Eve once again. Para sa akin, magandang Eve dito for Raja. Need no protection from the rain. That is going to be the backshot for Judgment. Nakakaramdam ako na same roster ang ilalabas dito ng ating Starlight Lovelies. Like, for the first 3 picks, nakakaramdam ako parehas. Pwede pa kumuha ng Eve dito ang Starlight Lovelies or pick up the Kimi already. Or the Estes. Pero hindi. Iba muna ka na magiging sagot. Wala munang Eve, mga kaibigan. Gord muna para kay Raja, ladies and gentlemen. Mali na naman ang prediction natin. Pero that's going to be the story, no, para sa kanila. Wala munang Eve ngayon. That is going to be the Gord providing continuous damage na may slow at crowd control din. And now, for the pick of Dosey, pwede sila kumuha dito something like a Phobius. Or potentially, Uranus or Esmeralda. I mean, surprise, Pakito. Pakito is open, although it's a bit tough na magpakito dito, considering na wala pang roam ang Starlight Lovelies. Kasi kumbaga, pag nagpakito, isang Kaja lang talaga eh. Pero that is going to be the Alice on the side of Maxterpiece Esports. Ang timpla ng Maxterpiece Esports ngayon dito, they are banking in with magic damage Kumbaga doon sila nag-i-invest ngayon. That is going to be a lot of magic damage. Pero they don't have enough damage, if you know what I'm saying. Like, they don't have that magic damage of the Harley or the magic damage of a Kimi, no? More on the utility damage ang meron sila, no? That is going to be the carry being banned out on the side, from the side of Maxter Peace Esports. Ayaw nila dito ng mang-shred sa Alice. Ayaw nila dito ng mang-shred sa Hylos. And now for the fourth ban rather ng ating Starlight Lovelies. Pwede sila mag-ban out dito ng Fredrin or Harley. Pwede sila mag-ban out ng Harley dito, Leo Mord. Anything na may damage, there you have it. Harley ang kanila ibaban out. Although medyo puro magic na nga sila dito. And for the side of Maxter Peace naman, pwede sila mag-ban out dito ng Estes eh. Para sa akin, ban Estes na sa ngayon. Para sa akin kasi sobrang grabe yung sustain na binibigay ng Kapitana Luna during team fights. Very, very commendable yun. Yun din yung reason kung bakit nakaka-dive si Sus eh. Like kapag magda-dive siya, mag-out, merong heal na nag-aabang sa kanya. Potentially, this is going to be the Estes. Because if there's no Estes, low chance na kukuha sila ng Kimi dito. But if mapapakawalan yung Estes, okay. Napakawalan yung Estes mga kaibigan, open yung Kimi. This is going to be another Estes Kimi strategy. Although, Maxter Peace ang next pick after ng ban na to. Pwede mag-ban out ng Leo Mord ang ating Starlight Lovelies dito. We'll see. I don't know kasi if kukuha ng for me, there's a very, very low chance na kukuha dito ng Kimi ang Maxter Peace Esports alone, knowing na walang Estes. Knowing na may Hylos sa sila. Unless they flex the Alice into the jungle, they flex the Hylos into the XP lane, they pick up the Estes and the Kimi. Which is very, very risky for Maxter Peace Esports. Full magic damage para sa kanila mga kaibigan. Let's see kung ano kanilang magiging desisyon. There you have it. It's going to be the Leo Mord. Pero iba ang kanilang magiging desisyon. Sobrang bilis. Walang Estes Kimi mga kaibigan. That is going to be the Claude being locked in and the Beleric on the hands of Kapitana Luna. So, counter re-engage ang gusto dito ng ating Starlight Lovelies. Sige, pwede kayo mag-dive. Ito ulit same story siya Maxter Peace, pwede kayo mag-dive. Pero sasaluhin namin at kayo ay papunish namin. That's going to be the situation kung saan nag-throne na yung Alice, nag-Phantom Steed na yung Leo Mord, nag-Glorious Pathway na yung Hylos. Once na mag-dive in sila towards Starlight Lovelies, that's going to be one ultimate for Kapitana Luna and one first kill from Judgment at the rest follows. And now, this is going to be a matter of fact kung kaya i-burst kagad ng Maxter Peace Esports yung lineup ng Starlight Lovelies at malalaman natin yan ngayon. Ito yung sinasabi natin kanina nung game number 1 that is going to be Bruno on the hands of Axel. Ganun ulit ang istorya natin mga kaibigan. Engage, no? Engage and counter-engage ang pangalan ng ating laban. Match point for Starlight Lovelies 1-0. Maxter Peace Esports needs to equalize para madala to sa game number 3 o baka ito ay laban na para sa Starlight Lovelies at makakasecure sila ng sweep dito. Once again, welcome to MCT Season 2, week number 4, day number 2, series number 2 mga kaibigan. Kung titignan natin dito yung kanilang lineup, they have the Yuzhong Baksha na magda-dive for the side of Starlight Lovelies. For the side of Maxter Peace naman, merong Alice, Leo Mord at Hylos na pwede ring mag-dive. Once again, shoutouts to Ate Elise and Ate Max for supporting sa ating comment section. And welcome to the Land of Dawn, ladies and gentlemen. Starlight Lovelies versus Maxter Peace Esports. Flying Cloud ang ating mapa. Merle God para sa ating Claude. Judgment para sa ating Baxia. Sus once again with the Yuzhong. Raja ang gagamit dito ng ating Gord. And Kapitana Luna naman para sa ating Beleric. And for the side of Maxter Peace Esports, we have James on the Hylos, JP on the Zetian, Dosey on the Alice and the Matcha on the Leomord, and Axel naman para dito sa ating Bruno. At ngayon sa ating bandang top lane naman, tamang clear lang, no? Surprisingly, walang nag-freeze lane, no, sa ating dalawang gold laners dito. Clear kung clear talaga ang kanilang magiging laban. That is going to be Axel and Merlgod na parehas kalahati, no? Sabayang pagbigkas ang ating gold laners agad dito, pero BMI out na rin naman. That is going to be Merlgod with the gold advantage at naparegen na rin dito, no, ang ating dalawang gold laners natin. Pero sa may bandang gitna, that is going to be JP pushing away Kapitana Luna, pero Raja dito tamang clear lang din naman ng waves, tamang stuns lang din. Pero sa may bandang itaas, that is going to be Kapitana Luna rotating up top. Axel ang kanyang pupuntahan ngayon dito. And now that is going to be James looking ready. Merlgod ang kanyang huhulihin. That's going to be Kapitana Luna na tatangke rin ng ilang damage dito, pero Judgment on the way. Kakatapos lang mag-pit stop sa may ibaba mga kaibigan, sa may bandang ibaba rather, that is going to be Sus na mapipitas first blood, no, para dito kay Matcha, ladies and gentlemen, doing wonders on this Leomord, taking an early game advantage. And now Maxterpiece Esports have the momentum dito sa may bottom lane natin. And now that is going to be the Yuzhong here. And the Baxia targeting Dosei dito. Hindi pa level 4 si paring Dosei dito. Tignan natin kung mabibigyan siya. And it's going to be the level 4 secured flicker out para kay paring Dosei. And that is going to be Matcha poking the turtle dito. Tignan natin kung makaka-contest ang ating Starlit Lovelace. That is going to be the throw na gagamitin dito ng ating Alice, ladies and gentlemen. Phantom Steed yan ay magagamit na. Here comes Sus with the Black Dragon form. Sino kaya kanya mahuhuli? James goes down on the hands of Sus. 1v3 kanya sitwasyon dito. That's going to be the Petrify towards JP, at nag-Mystic Gush na rin ang ating Gord dito. Raja uses the Mystic Gush but won't be enough. And now Kapitana Luna dito with the Flying Cloud looking to rotate. That is going to be Axel with the off-cam kill. Piso pulado ang ating Bruno dito, ladies and gentlemen, pero nakapitas pa din siya ng isa, and that is going to be the lead for the side of Maxterpiece Esports, at sila rin ang makakakuha ng ating unang turtle. Axel falling low, Kapitana Luna on the hunt, pero disengage na lang din muna sila dito. Balik tayo sa may bandang ibaba. Dosei at Sus ang ating labanan, lamang ng isang level si paring Dosei dito. Let's see kung ano ang magiging kaganapan, at eto na, nag-dive in ang ating Alice. That's going to be Dosei and the Sus, tamang sabayan lang, pero Dosei ang pinaka-sustainable dito sa ating XP lane, at mukhang makakapush siya dito ng bagya. Pero sa may bandang itaas naman, that's going to be the Glorious Pathway na magagamit na ni James, and that is going to be the ultimate of the Claude and the Belleric na magagamit na. James ang magiging punteriya, 1v4 lang kanya sitwasyon. That's going to be the Bruno na makakapag-ultimate pero hindi pa sasapat. And here comes the motor ni Matcha mga kaibigan, Phantom Steed para sa ating Leomord, ladies and gentlemen. Kalahati ang kanyang buhay. Raja dito ang kanyang matatagpuan. Raja falling low. That's going to be JP with the Fury of the Phoenix, pero na-stun siya dito ni Judgman. Matcha dito falling low. Matcha will disengage. That's going to be Axel ngayon dito na almost na ma-stun ng ating Gord. Ang daming kamuntikan mangyari doon sa laban na yon. 2-4 ang ating score in favor of Maxterpiece Esports. Malaki ngayon ang kanilang kalamangan. With that, let's have a quick item check here, ladies and gentlemen. Elegant Gem. Ang mahiwagang Elegant Gem secured for James of Maxterpiece Esports. At kung titignan naman natin dito, majority of the players ay on the way na sa kanilang first score item. But we have Matcha here already secured the War Axe para sa kanyang arsenal, and that is going to be the gold to gold na labanan dito sa ibang taas. Glorious Pathway ay magagamit pero medyo na delay lang. Walang Glorious Pathway ngayon na si James, pero sa may bandang baba, that's going to be Judgment na makakuha ng isa. Dosei goes down, at ngayon yung turtle ay nag-spawn na. This is going to be the second turtle. Looks like Maxterpiece Esports ay makakuha ulit to ng uncontested. That's going to be Matcha na makakasecure ng second turtle of the game. 2-4-2 ngayon ang ating Maxterpiece. Judgment is now here. That is going to be the Belleric na mapapa-ultimate na rin naman na Kapitana Luna falling low but won't go down. And now Merlgod ay nandito na. Pwede mag-Blazing Duet anytime. Pero Axel dito ay makakapitas. Raja ay may bawi din naman. That's going to be James falling down. And now Axel ngayon dito ay masastun ng ating Gord. That's going to be the Fury of the Phoenix na magagaling kay parang JP. Judgment goes down on the hands of Axel. World Cup na daw kasi ngayon mga kaibigan, so it's Bruno time. Pero sa may bandang baba, meron tumatrabaho. That is going to be Sus using this Yuzhong. Tumrabaho lang sa ibang ibaba mga kaibigan. And Axel talagang nagpapakitang gilas no sa ating gold lane. That's going to be Merlgod and Axel once again sa bayan dito sa may bandang taas. BMI out ang ating Claude dito ngayon. Kapitana Luna ready to respond. That is going to be Merlgod na makakasecure ng gold crab na yon. That's going to be Axel na may iwasan din dito yung taunt. At ngayon, di nila alam kung yung pwestuhan ni Matcha, and now alam na nila that is going to be the ultimate from Kapitana Luna. Very, very on point, pero hindi sapat yung follow-up ng ating Starlight Lovelies. That is going to be the Blazing Duet na manggagaling kay Merlgod. Pero yung ultimate ni Axel, rather, Super Axel tuloy, na naalala yung Super mga kaibigan. Dahil super din talaga ang kanyang performance ngayon. That is going to be Kapitana Luna and Raja sustaining the top lane para hindi ma-push, pero mukhang ibibigay na nila yung Torre na ito. The super pa mga kaibigan, dahil super ang performance na pinapakita nila ngayong game number 2. That is going to be Judgment dito, targeting James dito, kanila magiging target ngayon, Kapitana Luna providing the taunts, and that's going to be the glorious pathway na magagamit defensively. That's going to be Zeus na mapagamit ng Black Dragon form, pero yung motor ni Matcha mga kaibigan ay nandito na, dumating na yung delivery. That is going to be Zeus na makakakuha ng isa. Matcha gets one as well, double kill para sa kanya. Si Zeus ay naiwan dito mag-isa, dalawa kanya magiging kalaban. Si Judgment ay nandito rin naman, Axel falling low, mukha siya magiging punteriya. Axel dito versus Judgment, Axel goes down, and it's going to be Merlgod dito na mag-disengage muna, si Judgment na magiging ally. That is going to be unstoppable para sa ating Leomord, ladies and gentlemen, and we're now heading to the third lord. That's going to be the flicker na magagamit ng ating Claude. That's going to be Judgment na makakakuha ng isa, pero ngayon 3-4-3 para sa ating masterpiece mga kaibigan. Matcha dito, untouchable ang kanyang Leomord, ladies and gentlemen. Leomord na naka-Ducati, no? And that is going to be the Phantom Steed once again, pero tatlo may stun ni Raja dito. Another defensive na ultimate from James. That's going to be JP na makakabasag ng isa sa may bandang gitna. Dosey falling low but won't go down. James ngayon kanyang punteriya, Black Dragon form para dito kay Susie na magiging target niya. Mukha si Matcha na lang daw. That's going to be Matcha na magiging target niya. Matcha goes down. Si Dosey ba'y mahanap? Mukhang hindi. That's going to be James falling down as well. And now Sus making wonders once again for the side of Starlight Lovelies. Dikit na dikit ang ating laban mga kaibigan. Let's have a quick item check here. Majority of the players have secured their first item na, yung ilan dito ay papunta sa kanilang second item. But let's have a look at the Claude here. Dalawa na out of the Trinity build ang kanya nakukuha. Meron na siya dito Demon Hunter Sword at meron na rin siya ditong Golden Staff. So expect na masakit na ang damage ng ating Claude dito. Meanwhile, on the side of Masterpiece Esports naman, Axel dito ay nakasecure na ng kanyang Haskell at ng kanyang Malefic Gun. So expect na yung range dito ni Axel ay sobrang lawak na din. And now, less than a minute para sa ating unang Lord. 8-12 ang ating score in favor of Masterpiece Esports. Kapitana Luna may ispatan dito ni paring James, pero disengage na lang din muna. That is going to be Raja dealing a lot of pokes, pero no commitment just yet. Pero sa may bandang ibaba, Sus versus Dosey, labanan ng mga makukunat mga kaibigan. Alice to use ang ating labanan, pero Matcha naman dito ay naka-ready to respond. That is going to be Dosey with the disengage, at mukhang Lord ng punteriya na untog ng bahagya si Matcha doon, pero makakapag-disengage naman. Hindi naman very crucial no yung nangyari doon. And that's going to be the first Lord na magi-spawn sa ating laban. And now, Judgment dito ay nasa vicinity. Nahanap siya dito ni James. And that's going to be Kapitana Luna with the taunts. Tignan natin kung kailan siya mag-ultimate. That's going to be the ultimate from the Belleric, ladies and gentlemen. But not enough follow-up. That's going to be the Leomord na magtatawag na ng kanyang motor. Sus naman dito with the Black Dragon form. James falling low. James goes down on the hands of Judgment. Pero Dosey dito, nasa ibandang likuran. Merlgod ay mapipitas dito on the hands of Matcha. And that's going to be Judgment tanking a lot of damage. Sus falling low. Axel ay boy pa rin. Axel takes Sus. Si Judgment natang isusunod. That's going to be Judgment falling low and falling down. Double kill para kay Axel, ladies and gentlemen. Another super performance from Axel, ladies and gentlemen. Napaganda ng pinapakita niya dito bilang isang Bruno. Kaya pag sinabi natin Bruno, ang unang pumapasok agad sa atin, it's going to be Axel. And that's going to be the first Lord secured by Masterpiece Esports. Let's have a quick item check once again. 10-minute mark. That's going to be 3 items secured for the side of the Bruno. Meron na siya ditong critical item, 2 critical item at range items, no? Yun na yung mga nakuha niya dito ngayon at mukhang James mapapalalim ang kanyang pwestuhan. Pero ma-disengage din naman. Kapitana Luna ngayon dito, tanking a lot of damage. Judgment is still here. Starlight Lovely still holding on. That's going to be the pokes from JP and now Matcha. Andito na rin sa bush. Tignan natin, naagaw ba? Hindi maagaw. That's going to be the orange buff. Still going to the hands of the Baksha. And now, that's going to be James na matotont dito. Mystic Gush ay magagamit. Pero disengage na lang muna. That's going to be Matcha with the ultimate Phantom Steed para sa kanya. Pero JP with the Fury of the Phoenix. 4 kanyang mahuhuli doon. 3 mawawala from the side of Starlight Lovely's. Great setup na counter-engage ang ating Starlight Lovely's doon. JP doing wonders using this Zetian, and that is going to be the glorious pathway from the Hylos once again. Zeus falling low, Zeus goes down, and that is going to be Merle God na mag-isa, and we're going to game number 3. Tower lock ngayon dito ang ating Masterpiece Esports. Back-to-back game number 3 para sa ating dalawang serye, mga kaibigan. Uubusin nila yung battery ko, mga kaibigan. Pero, that's going to be game number 2, going to the hands of Masterpiece Esports. 20-9 ang ating score. That's going to be a great game. Gumana ang buff ng Masterpiece, mga kaibigan. That is going to be 20-9. 20 for Masterpiece, 9 for Starlight Lovely's. Ang MVP ng ating laban na Matcha with the Leomord 6-110. Ang kanyang magiging KDA. Let's have a quick look at the statistics. Highest team fight participation dito is going to be Judgment. 100% team fight participation. Laging present, mga kaibigan. When it comes to the damage taken naman, ang pinakamataas natin doon, none other than Dose. 109,654 damage taken, 31%. At sa turret damage naman natin, ang may pinakamataas, none other than Axel. That's going to be 9,017 damage para sa kanyang Bruno. Although sa percentage, mas mataas dito si Zeus with 98% turret damage. And when it comes to the hero damage naman, mga kaibigan, ang may pinakamataas dito, none other than Axel, using the Bruno, 63,904 damage dealt towards heroes, 29% para sa laban na to. Back-to-back game number 3, mga kaibigan. Game number 3 ang unang serye. Game number 3 ang ikalawang serye. What more ang ating ikatlong serye, mga kaibigan. Again, you're watching Starlight Lovely's versus Masterpiece Esports. Balik tayo sa best of 1, mga kaibigan. Randomize ang ating mapa. And it's going to be Flying Cloud once again. Blue side ngayon ng ating Masterpiece. This is already a random map. And now, let's see kung anong kanya magiging first ban dito. Marcel pa din talaga for the side of Masterpiece. Ayaw pakawalan para kay Kapitana Luna. And now, Starlight Lovely's. Let's see here. Shoutout kay Tito James. Kinapog ni Emily since 2019. And respeto para kay paring JP. That is going to be the Zetian being banned out. At napakabilis lang din na banning. That is going to be the Akai being banned out from the side of Masterpiece Esports. Napakabilis na sagot lang din. Suyu, kagad ang kanilang tatanggalin. And it's going to be the Harit. Standard bans, guys, from game number 1 to game number 2. Ganun na ganun pa rin yung kanila magiging ban. Pero kung titignan natin dito, ito yung composition kung saan nag-Kimi at Estes. Ito yung blues, ito yung red side na Starlight Lovely's. Ito yung red side na Starlight Lovely's na kumuha ng Estes at Kimi. Tignan natin kung ito ba ay papansinin ng Masterpiece Esports o pipilitin nila tong counterin. Or, potentially, sila ang kumuha nito. Bilang first pick, they would get the first half of the Estes Kimi. Pero mukhang yun nga ang plano ng Starlight Lovely's, that is going to be the Hylos being banned out open ng Atlas dito. Pwede silang kumuha ng Atlas to prevent the idea of an Estes Kimi. Pero alis pa din para kay Dosey. Kapitana Luna can pick up the Atlas here. Okay. Tignan natin kung magkakaroon tayo ng mga kakaiba dito. But for the side of Masterpiece, if it ain't broken, don't fix it. That's going to be the Alice for Dosey still. Hindi na nila babaguhin pa ang formula na gumana. Available ang Benedetta though. Open ang Benedetta pero Freya para kay Merle God. Wala tayong Estes Kimi ngayon unless it's going to be the Kimi in the mid lane. Pero tignan natin, mukhang iba magiging sagot ng ating Starlight Lovelies. Unique picks para sa kanila in case they lock in this Kagura. Let's see. It's going to be Lucas on the hands of Zeus, so walang Benedetta as of the moment. And now, JP and James ang kukuha ngayon ng hero. Potentially, sila ang kumuha dito ng Estes Kimi. Who knows? Baka gumana para sa kanila. Pero Bruno pa din talaga para kay Axel. If it ain't broken, don't fix it nga naman. Available pa ang Zokshin dito. Pwede kumuha ng Zokshin dito si pareng JP. Available pa ang Zokshin para sa kanya na ginamit niya rin ng game number 1. Angela, no? Ito yung pinakaunang nakita nating combo from Masterpiece. Hindi pa MCT yun, guys. Sa mga nakakaalala nun, hindi pa MCT. They are running this Angela, Alice. There you have it. Sabi ni Koplong, nakaka-expect tayo ng Paramis dito. It's going to be Paramis on the hands of JP. Nakakaramdam na ako. And now for the final pick of the first phase ng ating Starlight Lovelies. Tignan natin kung ano ang kanilang kukunin. Kagura pa din talaga para kay Roger dito. Kumbaga yung pinakita nilang Kagura kanina, hindi yun pang juke lang, no? So, seryoso talaga yun. Seryosong pick yun. And now, for the fourth ban ng Starlight Lovelies, back siya ang tatanggalin. Kung ako sa Starlight Lovelies, magbaban na ako ng Paramis. Magbaban na ako ng Paramis if I were Starlight Lovelies. And that's going to be the Matilda still. Hindi pa din nabago yung banning ng ating Masterpiece. Matilda pa rin talaga kanilang tatanggalin. Tamang-tama si Koplong, guys. Yun yung ibig sabihin natin ng pagban ng Paramis. Sa kabilang tournament, sila ang nagsimula nito. Tito Grim, shoutout kay Tito Grim Reaper ng Jamios Esports. Pero that's going to be the carry being banned out, no? That's going to be carry being banned out from the side of Masterpiece. Let's see. Potentially, baka kumuha ng Paramis Rome ang ating Starlight Lovelies dito para kay Kapitana Luna. Hindi natin alam. Pero, since nag-ban out ng Baksha ang ating Starlight Lovelies, there's a chance na silang kukuha ng Fredrin. There you have it. Fredrin. Mukhang ito ang kanilang kukunin dito. That's going to be the Fredrin. Eto na. Ilista nyo na. Paramis, mga kaibigan. Paramis, mga kaibigan. Jungle. Alice para kay Matcha. That's going to be the Phobius locked in. Joke lang. Walang Paramis, mga kaibigan. Walang Paramis. It's going to be the Lilia on the hands of JP. Pinaglaruan, ginoke time tayo ng Masterpiece, mga kaibigan. Ginoke time tayo ng Masterpiece. Akala natin Paramis na Lilia pala ang kanilang plano dito. And it's going to be the Lilia of JP. Pero seems like it's going to be the Alice in the jungle, no? Alice in the jungle, guys. And Phobius in the XP lane. Kapitana Luna, pwede siya kumuha ng Kaja dito. Pero iba ang kanilang magiging sagot. It's going to be the Rafaela. If I'm not mistaken, Starlight Lovelies ang pinaka nag-utilize ng Rafaela sa ating buong MCT, no? And if we are looking at the game here, ladies and gentlemen, parehas ulit nagda-dive tong mga to. So it's going to be a matter of engage and re-engage, counter re-engage. Paunahan ulit ng execution, mga kaibigan. Rafa at Kaja ng Starlight Lovelies. Tamang-tama ka dyan, Zetsu. Yun ang signatures nila when it comes to the roam. Yun talaga, yung Kaja tsaka Rafaela talaga, sila yung pinaka nag-utilize. Kapag sinabi mong Rafaela, Kaja, unang papasok sa isip mo, Starlight Lovelies. And, best of 1 tayo ngayon. 1-1 ang ating score. Meron pa tayong sunod na series na ikakast. Mainit na serye din yon. Totoo. Meron pang isa sa Marcel. Si Foreman, no? Shoutouts to Foreman with the Marcel. And welcome to Mobile Legends. Flying Cloud ang ating mapa. And that is going to be James on the Angela, JP on the Lilia, Dose on the Phobius, Matcha on the Alice, and Axel on the Bruno. And for the side of Starlight Lovelies, we have Merle God on the Freya, Judgman on the Fredrin. That's going to be the Lucas in the XP lane, Raja on the Kagura, and Kapitana Luna naman para dito sa ating Rafaela. Pero sa ating bandang baba, Merle God going aggressive. That's going to be the flicker para kay Axel. Revitalize dito ay magagamit na rin. Ayaw mo sa Kaja ni Prodigal. Isa din yan, isa mga nagpasimuno ng Kaja. Pero that's going to be Axel na pipitas dito sa bandang ibaba. JP almost going down. Merle God ay mapipitas din. Kapitana Luna goes down as well. JP dito tamang free hit lang sa may bandang gilid. The double kill para kay James using this Angela. Mapapasabi na lang kaya ng papi boom. That is going to be James na makakakuha dito ng dalawa. Grabe mga kaibigan, hindi binigay kay JP yung dalawang kills. Yung Angela yung kumuha ng dalawa mga kaibigan. Pero sa may bandang taas, that is going to be Sus na magde-disengage muna. Pero joke lang, pinaprank tayo ng mga players natin ngayon. Akala natin magre-recall na si Sus pero hindi pa pala. Pero ngayon magre-recall na talaga siya. Legit na talaga. Okay, ngayon, okay, pinagtitripan na lang tayo ng mga players natin. Akala natin uuwi na talaga. Pero sabi ni Sus dito, hindi pa. Shoutout to lock screen, baka naka-Skype pierce si Angela. Pwedeng mangyari yon. Tamang TP lang dito si Sus. Kanina ko pa yung naakala na uuwi siya kasi low HP. Pero sabi niya dito, Kapitana Luna is here naman. I don't need to recall. Pero sa may bandang gitna, mukhang magkakaroon ng laban. Judge man dito. That is going to be the taunt. Pero disengage na lang muna. Priority muna nila dito ang ating magiging turtle. Turtle is now in control of Starlight Lovelies. Akala ko Turtle na, pero Crimson Beetle muna pala sabi ni Judgman. At this point guys, hindi ko na alam kung anong plano nila dito sa laban na to. Ang dami nangyayari. Kasi ngayon magka-clash pala sila sa may itaas. That is going to be Dose na tumatalon-talon lang. Throw na magagaling sa ating Alice. Kapitana Luna nagpop ng Revitalize. Judgman falling low. And that is going to be the Lucas na kumakagat-kagat lang. Raja gets one. At ngayon, that is going to be the flame shot from downtown 3 sa pool dito si Matcha mga kaibigan. And that is going to be Starlight Lovelies. Legit na daw to mga kaibigan. Legit na kukuha na sila ng turtle. That is going to be Judgman securing the turtle, ladies and gentlemen. Unang turtle para sa Starlight Lovelies. Although dikit pa din ang ating laban. 3-3 ang ating score. Pero sa may bandang itaas, eto na. Air 12 mga kaibigan, sobrang taas ng flight time. Sus falling low, pero Kapitana Luna is ready for the save. Andito na yung medic on the go ng ating Starlight Lovelies, pero ngayon siya ay masasakripisyo. That is going to be Kapitana Luna going down. Pero sa may bandang ibaba, Merle God dito talagang ayaw magpaawat. Kung kaya niyang abutin si Axel, talagang aabutin niya. Raja naman dito ay nakaantabay kasama niya. And that's going to be the disengage for Starlight Lovelies dito dahil si JP ay nandito rin naman. Sabi nila out muna tayo dito kasi masaslow lang tayo ng masaslow dyan. At ngayon, that is going to be the payong combo sabay from downtown 3 mula kay Raja ulit, ladies and gentlemen. The walking highlight reel ng Starlight Lovelies. Talagang pang TikTok highlights. I-edit niya na yon ng may slow mo mamaya. That is going to be the Kagura combo from Raja, ladies and gentlemen. And also, para sa akin, magiging part na ng combo niya yung flame shot. Bakit? Sobrang baba ng cooldown ng flame shot, no? Pwedeng gamitin kahit kailan. And that is going to be Judgman dito. Dealing a lot of damage. Judgman gets one. Matcha goes down. Merle God dito going aggressive. Talagang ayaw magpaawat. Judgman gets two. Axel dito ay tumatakbo na lang. Si Merle dito, winawagayway, winawasiwas lang ang kanyang weapons. That is going to be a very, very aggressive approach from the side of Starlight Lovelyz. Raja dito, somewhere lang, pero that is going to be the recall para sa kanya. At ngayon, dito sa may banda taas, Erdose, nagsiset up ulit ng play. Dahil dyan, di na tayo nakapag-item check kanina. Binuksan ko lang yung item tab, pero di natin nabanggit. Quick item check mga kaibigan, approaching 5 minutes. First core item para kay Mrilgad kagad, makakuha kagad siya dito ng golden staff. At para naman sa ating Alice at Lilia, meron na sila ditong first item na Enchanted Talisman and Oracle. And that's going to be the second turtle going to the hands of Judgment. Back-to-back turtles para sa kanya. Pero sa may bandang itaas, that is going to be Dosei versus Sus. Erdose strikes again mga kaibigan. Multi-sport, no? Multi-sport ang ating Masterpiece Esports ngayon dito. Merong nagpo-football, tapos merong nagba-basketball. That is going to be the setup na manggagaling kay Matcha mga kaibigan. Judgment falling low, pero yung Revitalize dito ay maliligtas si Judgment. Tignan natin kung gaano katagal masusurvive nito. Appraiser's Rat na gagamitin dito ni Judgment, pero di sasapat pa. Erdose strikes again. Raja goes down, double kill para sa kanya. Kapitana Luna goes down as well. 7-6 ang ating score. Nabaliktad na ang ating laban. Mrilgad dito nag-aabang ng opportunity, pero disengage na lang muna. 5 man sa gitna ang ating Masterpiece Esports. Tignan natin, available ang ultimate ni Mrilgad, available ang ultimate ni Sus. Mukhang magkakaroon ng combo dito. Let's go with the ultimate for the Lucas. That is going to be the Lucas versus all. Walang katakot-takot kahit dalawa lang sila dito ngayon. That is going to be Mrilgad. Mag-isa na lang siya ngayon. That's going to be Sus going down as well. And now Erdose ayaw magpaawat. Rep, time out rep. That is going to be the ultimate from Kapitana Luna. Napigilan si Dose ng bahagya. Mrilgad gets one. At ngayon buhay ng Starlight Lovelyz. Ito na yung bawi nila. That is going to be Dose going down. Masyado ka nang tumatambay sa aming court. Papalipatin ka muna namin ngayon. And that is going to be the second Maniac of the series. Unang Maniac para kay Axel, pangalawang Maniac para kay Mrilgad. Akala natin Masterpiece na ang magwawagi sa initiation na yon, pero sabi ng Starlight Lovelyz, not in our court. And that is going to be Alice here. Papasok dito, Kapitana Luna, kanya magiging target. Revitalize once again for Kapitana Luna yung magagamit. Every time na makikita natin si Kapitana Luna na sinisave ang Starlight Lovelyz, hindi mawawala sa kanya ang Revitalize. Hindi mawawala. Pero sa may bandang taas, Erdose strikes again. Pero this time nasusustain na siya ngayon ni Sus. And now third turtle ay nag-spawn na. Mukhang Judgment ulit ang makakakuha nito ngayon. That is going to be 2 core items para sa ating Freya and tagwa 1 core item para sa ating Masterpiece Esports. For the Phobius, we already have the Radiant Armor. For the Angela, the Flash of the Oasis. For the Bruno, the Hasklo. Oracle naman para sa ating Alice, and Enchanted Talisman naman para sa ating Lilia, no? Pero dito sa ating bandang gitna, chill muna ating dalawang kupunan. Pero sa may bandang baba, Mrilgad dito, talagang going aggressive. Pag alam niya talagang kaya niya pumasok, talagang papasok siya. At ngayon, kalmado muna ang ating mapa. The calm before the storm. And that's going to be Dose with the pokes. Wala mo na siyang mahuhuli as of the moment. Tignan natin kung sino mauunang mag-engage. Looks like it's going to be Starlight Lovelyz, pero counter-engage by Masterpiece Esports. Nag-throw na dito ang ating Alice. Mrilgad ay nandito sa ibang likuran. Naabutin niya yung mga nasa backline ng Masterpiece Esports. Axel ang kanya magiging punteriya. Axel with a flicker out. Dose gets one. Sus goes down. That's going to be Kapitana Luna falling low as well. Pero Mrilgad versus Axel, meron silang sariling mundo dito mga kaibigan. Meron silang ibang ring. Pero si Dose dito with a super performance, tumatalon-talon lang. And that is going to be a great sustainability from both teams. Grabe, ito yung impact ng meron kang support sa iyong team. You have the Angela, you have the Rafaela. Talagang masusustain at masusustain nyo lang. 9-11 ang ating score, ladies and gentlemen. Mrilgad dito. All eyes on Axel, sabi niya. Talagang yun lang ang nagiging target niya simula kanina, simula game number 1 hanggang ngayon. And that is going to be the Alice with the throne once again. Kapitana Luna providing the heals, pero Dose zoning out the Rafaela. Mrilgad dito with the disengage. And in just less than 30 seconds, mag-i-spawn na ang unang lord ng ating laban. 27k para sa ating Starlight Lovelyz, 24k para sa ating Masterpiece. Dikit ang ating laban, ladies and gentlemen. Tatlo lang ang difference sa ating score. The First Lord has spawned, pero sa may bandang baba, Merle, God at Axel talaga, meron sila ditong sariling mundo. Habang sila dito naglo-lord, sa may bandang baba, merong sumisegue, that is going to be Merle, God. At ngayon, dito sa may bandang itaas naman, Lord ang sagot dito ng ating Starlight Lovelies. Meanwhile, Maxterpiece Esports ngayon, transitioning to bottom lane. Hindi mo na sila ko-contest dito, but Dose is providing vision, looking for a hope na makakasteal using this Phobius. Pero disengage muna sila. That's going to be Judgment securing it. And now Raja providing visions. Nasa kalamangan ngayon ng Starlight Lovelies. That's going to be the Lord na tatawagin na magmamarcha sa may bandang ibaba. 6-7. That is shoutouts to Humbly. Shoutouts to Humbly, no? Shoutouts sa ating comment section dyan. Shoutouts sa mga nagsi-6-7 dyan. Pero sa may bandang itaas ngayon, Raja, Kapitana Luna, and Zeus nakaabang dito. Dosey ay mag-isa. Shoutouts to Carl from Starlight Lovelies. And that's going to be a 1v4 situation. Heartguard ay gagamitin na ng ating Papi James. That is going to be Dosey tanking a lot of damage. Pero sa may ibang bahagi naman, merong labanan din dito. That's going to be Kapitana Luna going down. Pero sa may bandang baba, umariba na dito yung ating Lord. Kalahati ang buhay, pero sa may bandang taas, Air Dosey talaga. Grabe ang airtime mga kaibigan. That is going to be Raja na mapipita si Dosey. Tapos na ang airtime. Babangkuin ka muna, sabi dito ng ating coach. And that is going to be Merle na unstoppable. Pero yung alis natin dito talagang napakakunat. At ngayon, that's going to be the dive in from Merle, God. Pero ngayon, Merle ay napalalim yata. Napasobra ka yata, boss. Pero hindi. That's going to be a worth it na sobra for the side of Starlight Lovely. Sa Merle, God gets one. Axel na lang natitira. Walang minions mga kaibigan. Raja ay isang one hit na lang. Axel na lang dito natitira. 1 segundo para kay Dosey. 4 na segundo para kay James. Buhay na dito ang Maxterpiece Esports. 10-15 ang ating score. Ladies and gentlemen, that's going to be Zeus dito in the front. And now, Kapitana Luna and Raja here in the bottom lane. 1 minute para sa ating ikalawang Lord. 12 minutes into the game. Let's have a quick item check, ladies and gentlemen. Nakasecure na dito ng 4 core items ang ating Freya. Meanwhile, Axel naman, nakasecure na ng 2 core items. 2 to 3 core items na ang ating mga players dito. Yung mga junglers natin, ang mga gold laners natin, almost going for 4. Pero dito sa may bandang ibaba, that's going to be Zeus and Merle, God, na babasag ng torre. Wala nang inhibitors dito on top and bottom ng ating Maxterpiece Esports. And na magiging target nila dito ay ang gitna. Pero sabi dito ng Starlight Lovelies, disengage muna kami. Lord muna ang kanila magiging punteriya. Judgment at the vicinity of the Lord. Raja naman ay nandito rin. Dosey looking for a play. Siya magiging main playmaker ng ating Maxterpiece. And that is going to be the Lord na magsaspawn. That's going to be Starlight Lovelies. That's going to be the Starlight Lovelies starting this Lord. 13 minutes into the game. Judgment gets the Lord. Basag na ang inhibitors dito ng ating Maxterpiece Esports. Top at bottom. Potentially bottom lane magpo-flow ang ating Lord. Dahil doon mas angat yung kanilang minions. Pero joke lang. Sabi ni Munton, top lane naman. Kanina nasa bot lane ngayon top lane naman. Kanina pa tayo pinagtitripan ng system mga kaibigan. 10-15 ang ating score, ladies and gentlemen. Pinapalit na ng Starlight Lovelies ang mapa ng Maxterpiece Esports. And now, look at Zeus at the top. Merle, God at the bot. At nasa gitna naman ang trio mid. Tignan natin kung paanong push ang gagawin ng Starlight Lovelies. Ito na ata ang final fight. That is going to be Judgment na makakuha ng taunt. A Fraser's Rat na paaga yata ng Bagya. That's going to be the ultimate from the Rafaela. That's going to be Sus going down. Pero Dosey dito makakuha ng isa. Raja goes down as well. Yung Lord natin dito, that is going to be the Lord going down. Pero marerespond kagad si Sus dito mga kaibigan. Kalahati ang buhay ng base dito ng ating Masterpiece Esports. Pero makakapag-disengage pa rin naman. This is the downside of having the Freya in the gold. Walang pang free hit, no? Walang pang free hit with the base outside of the vicinity. Kailangan talaga pumasok ng Freya dito. And the only option for Starlight Lovelies dito to end this game is to wipe out Masterpiece Esports. 12 to 15 ang ating score, almost 15 minutes. Let's have a quick item check once again. Lock item na dito ang ating Freya. 4 items na dito ang ating Bruno, ladies and gentlemen. Almost lock item na rin ang ating mga heroes dito. Merl, God, siya ang magdidikta dito ng laban for Starlight Lovelies. For Masterpiece Esports, we have Axel. Yes, 025 ang kanyang KDA ngayon dito. But having Dosey and Matcha in the front line, there's a high chance na magkakaroon ng opportunity to free hit ang ating Bruno. But here's the thing, wala nang inhibitor turrets ang Masterpiece Esports, and now Starlight Lovelies patuloy pa rin pinapaliit ang kanilang mapa, isolating Masterpiece Esports sa kanilang pinakabase. Dosey ngayon dito, pinapalalim ang minions ng Starlight Lovelies, looking for a re-engage. Raja with the pokes. Let's see kung ano kanila magiging desisyon dito. Less than a minute para sa ating ikatlong Lord, ladies and gentlemen. 2-4-2 ang nakuhang Lord dito ng ating Starlight Lovelies. And now Starlight Lovelies, sila ang nakapwesto dito for that Lord. And looks like Masterpiece Esports magtitipon-tipon ngayon dito sa kanilang base, looking for opportunity. Pero Merl, God ay nandito. That's going to be Dosey na makakaramdam. Air, Dosey strikes again. Dosey versus Merl, God ang ating labanan dito. 10 segundo para sa ating ikatlong Lord. This is going to be very crucial pag merong napitas. Once na mapitas si Dosey dito, ang potential call ng ating Starlight Lovelies ay tapusin na natin sa gitna. 12 to 15 ang ating score. The gold lead doesn't matter anymore. Lumalapit na tayo doon sa punto na it doesn't matter kung sinong lamang, sinong angat. And that is going to be Raja with the pokes dito sa ating Alice. And now Judgment starting the Lord dito. Napalalim na si Sus, napalalim na rin dito si Matcha with the throne. That's going to be the Winter Crown na gagamitin ng ating Alice. Heartguard from James as well. That's going to be Judgment falling low. Napagamit na rin, di pa niya nagagamit dito ang Fraser's Rat. Dosey, kalahati ang buhay. Merl God dito, going aggressive, trying to reach Axel, pero mukhang mag-backfire din sa kanya. That's going to be Merl God na mapipitas dito, and this is going to be a disaster for Starlight Lovelies. Wala sila ngayong main damage dealer, although they have Raja, but that won't be enough. That's going to be Judgment with a stun once again. Buong 5 pa dito ang ating Masterpiece Esports. Ito lang yung sinasabi natin na factor ni Axel. JP gets one as well. That's going to be Judgment na magdi-disengage muna. Dalawa mawawala sa side ng Starlight Lovelies dito. That's going to be Matcha zoning a lot of people. Pero disengage ang ating Masterpiece Esports. The reason is the minion wave, mga kaibigan. That's going to be Raja na makukuha dito si Axel. That is going to be the Alice na hinahabol ni Judgment. Jungle to jungle. Si Sus ay nandito pero napatipi ang ating Alice, mga kaibigan. That's going to be James na matatapos ang Heartguard. Sino makakuha? That's going to be Matcha, ladies and gentlemen, na makakuha dito ng ating Lord. Pero sa may bandang base, mag-i-spawn na ang Lord eksakto. Wala makakapag-split, ladies and gentlemen. And that is going to be Judgment falling low. Matcha ay boy pa rin. Papasok muli siya dito. Heartguard from James. That is going to be the Fraser's Rat. Tama pa rin. Raja dito with a combo. Pero won't be enough. Sus ay nandito. That is going to be the Immortality Pop, ladies and gentlemen. Si Merl ay buhay na. Papasok siya dito. That's going to be Matcha going down. Dosey ngayon dito ang magiging target. Kalahati buhay ni Dosey dito. Merl dealing a lot of damage. Ito na yung bawi ni Merl dito, ladies and gentlemen. Pero sobrang lambot na dito. Dosey goes down. The Lord is still alive. Andito sa may bandang gitna. And now 4 people of Starlight Lovelies starting to disengage. Ladies and gentlemen, ito na ba ang bawi ng Masterpiece Esports? 15 to 17 ang ating score. That's going to be the Rafaela respawning the Freya once again. That is going to be Judgment falling low. A Fraser's Rat gagamitin. JP goes down. Biglang sumaglit, ladies and gentlemen. At ngayon, buong 5 ang Starlight Lovelies. 2 ang wala sa side ng Masterpiece Esports. Is this endable, ladies and gentlemen? Merong minion wave sa gitna. Merong minion wave sa gilid. Axel ang natitira. That is going to be the ultimate from Merl God. Eto na, gumamit na rin ng Vengeance. Sino mapipitas dito? That is going to be the Immortality Pop. That's going to be James falling low. James goes down as well. That is going to be Judgment na makakakuha dito. And now Air Dosey doing it. That's going to be Matcha na mabubuhay na rin. Raja dito, tamang deal lang. Pero Judgment dito, ang call niya ay Tower Lock. This is going to be the Starlight Lovelies game. That's going to be Raja, and that is going to be it. Natapos na ang 3-game series. Starlight Lovelies secures the series number 2.
Victory!
GG well played sa ating dalawang koponan, ladies and gentlemen. 21-15 ang ating score. This is already the second game number 3 ng ating laban, ng ating araw. 21 for Starlight Lovelies, 15 for Maxterpiece. MVP natin doon, Judgman with the Fredrin. 519 ang kanyang KDA. Ang daming moments na akala natin mapipita si Judgman, but all because of that Oracle, all of that immortality, yung Queen's Wings, and yung heal from Kapitana Luna, sobrang on point. Akala natin yes, nahirapan mag-end ang ating Starlight Lovelies. Nahirapan silang mag-end dito, but that one Appraiser's Wrath, kung saan napitas si JP, yun yung pinaka nagmarka ng panalo ng Starlight Lovelies. Do you wanna know why? Walang pang wave clear ang Maxterpiece Esports. Yes, they do have the Alice. Yes, they do have the Phobius. Pero ang magiging main priority nila kasi dito is going to be the heroes. To punish Merle God. No? To punish Merle God. Yun yung objective ng ating Phobius and Alice dito. Sila yung pinaka-main na magdi-disable. And the ones doing the wave clears is none other than JP. Yes, Axel could do it too. Pero paano nila madi-disable fully si Merle God if it's all about crowd control and no damage follow-up? So that one Appraiser's Wrath towards JP marks the win for the side of Starlight Lovelies. No wonder Judgman is the MVP. Let's have a look at the stats here, ladies and gentlemen. Highest teamfight participation natin dito, none other than James with that Heart Guard. 100% teamfight participation para sa kanya dito. And when it comes to the damage taken naman, mga kaibigan, of course, ang may pinakamataas na damage taken from Maxterpiece Esports, it's going to be Matcha with 219,084 damage taken. And when it comes to the tower naman, of course, it's going to be Merle God with 18,253 damage towards the turrets. And when it comes to the heroes naman, mga kaibigan, Merle God pa din ang ating carry dito, 111,549. And that's going to be the second series, ladies and gentlemen. Ilang saglit na lang ay magsisimula na rin ang ating ikatlong serye. Mainit na serye ang nag-aabang sa atin for series number 3. We have the top 2 teams. That is going to be J-Meows and Raging Foxies. Okay lang mamaos, guys. Wala tayong magagawa doon. Mainit talaga ang mga laban natin. Sobrang solid ng mga players natin ngayon. Again, that's going to be D-Rest and Mahjong Legends for series number 1. D-Rest ang nanalo, 2-1. Second series natin, Maxterpiece Esports versus Starlight Lovely. Starlight Lovely secures the win, 2-1 as well. And for upcoming series number 3, we have J-Meows Esports versus Raging Foxies. Maraming salamat sa lahat na nanood. Kami magbabalik. Ako'y magbabalik. Again, my name is Nate. And we'll see you guys. And I'll see you guys later. Kita-kits tayo para sa ating huling serye for week 4, day number 2. Again, MCP Season 2 is under supervision by Munson Philippines, sponsored by Yapari Coffee Bar, the official coffee shop partner of MCP Season 2, and to our official live streaming platform, TikTok Live. Once again, my name is Nate and I'm going to be your caster for today. Kita-kits ulit tayo mamaya. Huwag kayong aalis. Kami magbabalik.